Part 3 on the feeling of immortality in youth. The youth sees no end to prospect after prospect, and they have their desires piling on and seek every opportunity to gratify them. They look at the world in a positive spirit and feel in themselves the strength and energy to keep them on pace with the moving world. In this excitement, they fail to foresee how they decline into old age and finally encounter death. Probably it is in the very nature of the youth that they feel this sense of immortality. See, the essay is about the feeling of immortality while one is young. As I've explained earlier, the youth sees no end to prospect after prospect. Their wishes and desires are always on the increase. They have a very positive spirit. They feel very energetic and they don't realize that old age and even death are inevitable. It is just because they are young, they have this feeling of immortality. यंग लोग जब देखते हैं उनके पास आशाएं ही आशाएं होती हैं, इसलिए वो वर्ल्ड को बहुत पॉजिटिव तरीके से देखते हैं और वो बहुत एनर्जेटिक महसूस करते हैं और ओल्ड एज और डेथ जैसे विषयों पर सोचते ही नहीं हैं. Hazlitt states that the youth is still in that thin layer of innocence and are rocked in the cradle of their desires. Many desires occupy their thoughts, but they have no thoughts about death. Hazlitt gives an example of a scullion who is a servant employed for rough work, Sterne and his master Bobby. When Sterne is informed of the master's death, his only reply is, "So am not I?" meaning to say that his monotonous work has already taken away the beauty of his life. While the youth is not bothered by the idea of death, their confidence only seems to strengthen and enhance their sense of possession and enjoyment of life. They also fail to understand the value of time until they see love, hope, and joy withering around them. Hazlitt says that because the youth are innocent and they are desirous of many things, so they don't have time to think about serious subjects like death. Hazlitt gives the example of this servant who was employed by the master, and when the master dies, the servant only replies, "So am not I." He means to say that he is also dead because he has lost the spirit to live. He cannot live life with all its beauty. The young are not bothered about the idea of death. Their confidence is full and they have the sense of possession and enjoyment of life. So, because of this, they fail to understand the value of time and then they find love, hope, and joy going out of their lives. Hazlitt कहते हैं कि because of many desires, the young are innocent. वो डेथ जैसे सीरियस विषयों के बारे में नहीं सोच पाते हैं. यहाँ पे हैजलिट एक एग्जाम्पल देते हैं एक सर्वेंट और मास्टर की। जब सर्वेंट को मास्टर की डेथ के बारे में बताया जाता है, तो क्योंकि वो पूरे समय रफ वर्क करता रहा है, उसने वो जिंदगी के जॉय महसूस ही नहीं किए, तो कहता है कि वो भी ही इज नो बेटर दैन डेड। तो यही यूथ अकॉर्डिंग टू हैजलिट जब डेथ के बारे में तब तक नहीं सोचती जब तक उनके पास वो सेंस ऑफ पोजेशन या एंजॉयमेंट होती है लाइफ की। जब लव, होप और जॉय उनके जिंदगी से निकलती है, तभी वो इसकी इम्पोर्टेंस को समझते हैं।